Hey guys, this is Jorge Amsler. I'm here part of the education at the IBIE 2025. This is an amazing show. We have incredible international teachers. There's classes, educational programs, seminar, hands-on classes. For anything that you want to learn in this industry, you want to better yourself, you get on to the next level and really educate yourself. This is an amazing time to do it. We're packed jam with a great schedule. There's something for everybody. It is an incredible chance for you to get really good at what you like to do and better yourself at it. As far as the show, this year it's off the hook. It is packed with vendors. We're expecting tons of people. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. You have to come here. Do not leave without making plans on coming to the IBIE. We'll see you here. Welcome to Las Vegas.